So again, girls ulit, after 3 and 1, 2, 3. I know the plans I have in store. You whisper in my ear words of affirmation. 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 Okay, one more time. Girls, wala akong isa. After the end. 1, 2, 3. I know the plans I have in store. You whisper in my ear words of affirmation, things I need to hear. But of all the things you planned for me, I never would have guessed that bringing me right here is what you call your best. But here I am in this unexpected place, a place I did not ask for, but one that's filled with grace. And here I am in this room I did not want, but Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are grace. Jesus, you are with me. One and in this unexpected place. Okay, we'll start with the girls. So, we are in C major. C major po tayo. So, kung compare kayo yung scale ng C major, madali lang ito. Yung first part natin is octave. So, kailangan natin yung supportahan. Hindi tayo ng isang malaking hakbang. Okay. First part after 3 and 1, 2, 3 and sorry. You whisper in my ear. One more time. 2, 1 after 3 and 1, 2, 3 and okay, for everyone, hanggang muna natin yung first phrase, sentence time, first sentence. I know the plans have in store, you whisper in ear, words of affirmation, hanggang to here. Kahit pagpagin mo muna. Okay. So, pwede bang antayin natin siya ng isang hingahan from I hanggang here. Okay? After 3 and 1, 2, 3 and okay. Thank you very much. Basis and tenor, tayo po ay nasa anong left? Nasa effect tayo sa tenor. Mag-adjust tayo ng kahit paano sa pagbabasa. Yung C natin will be at the second space. Ay tama, third space pala. So that will be your goal. Okay. Ay, second space, sorry, second space. three, and
But for the things you plan for me, I never would.
I never. Paisa. I never. Hindi po siya. I never. And
I never would have guessed
that ringing. Ano po yan? Sorry, nakaplano ko lang. Okay, boys. Doon po tayo, I never. Kita po, measure number 9 to 10. Big up. I never. School. Okay, kuha na po. Borrow all. Doon po tayo sa may borrow all. 1, 2, 3, and
all the things you planned for me, I never would have guessed that leading me right here is what you call your best.
is what you call, so po tayo sa may is what you call your best.
Is what you call your best.
One more time to end.
Is what
Is what to end.
is what you call your best.
We cut. From the girls tayo. Two, three, end. One more time. After three, end. 1, 2, 3, end.
I know the plans I have in store, you whisper in my ear. Words of affirmation, things I need to
Very good.
All the things you planned for me, I never would have guessed that
Sorry.
that leading me right here.
But sorry, one more time to after 3. 1, 2, 3, and
All the things you planned for me, I never would have guessed that leading me right here is what you call your best.
sa best po pwede ang isipin natin na tayo ay kaangkat. So we will go softer. Okay, but here I am. Girls tayo. After 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and okay, bitin natin. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay, kaya po ba boys sumama parehas na po tayo ng gagawin? 2, and
But here I am in this unexpected
okay,
place.
first muna tayo. Sopranos. I did not ask for to after and then tayo. 1 that's filled with grace. Soprano 1, 2, 3, and but what is okay, play natin. And here I am to end. And so medyo na tayo sa field. One that's filled with grace. Okay, one more time. But one, doon na po tayo ba? After the end. 1, 2, 3, and filled with grace. Tuloy. And here I am. Okay. Ito po tayo sa and here I am. Soprano 1, and here I am. Pick up ng 8. Kita po. 2, 3, and here, and narinig ko muna ng and. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and what Jesus? Ito tayo ah. One more time. Pakinggan mo na ah. Ulit lang yung ano niya. But Jesus. So while inaaral yung soprano, so yung voice can hear the same. Patanda na nung tempo and pattern, same lang po tayo. Okay. So soprano 1, but Jesus, pick up ng 21. Okay. Okay, one more time. 2, what Jesus is Lord. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 1 and sorry. Okay, thank you very much. So altos, kailangan natin ng tulong para sa Spanish. So as to tayo, and to tayo from, but here I am in His unexpected place. 1, 2, 3, and para 2, so soprano 2 lang po muna. Makuha ng altos.
Doon yung gagawin niya.
Ito lang po yun. Ito nyo agad. Soprano 2. Soprano, medyo soprano muna. Sabi yan. Alto. Ilan po ang soprano 1? Soprano. Soprano. Okay, sige. Alto 1 will do the ano. Okay. So, alto. Pwedeng alto po muna mas madali ata yun, no? So, ayan. Pwede doon tayo sa may Amazing that has Ngayon, ang ginagawa ng altos ay flatline. But imagine you are singing as soprano na. Okay? So, doon siya. Meron kasi, mga bumaba, mga tumaan, alto to 1, 2, 3, but here. soprano 1 and alto 2, 3, and.
Here I am in this unexpected place, a place I did not ask for, but now has filled
But one that's filled, but one that's filled. Say pa siya, but one that's filled, but one that's filled with grace. Everyone, let's do but one that's filled with grace. Repeat after me. But one that's repeat after me. Ako muna. But one that's filled, but one that's filled. So connect natin yung S of F. But one, okay. But one that's filled with grace. And
but one that's filled with grace.
remind mo lang ulit, kanina sinabi ko, di ba, that the 8th note is equivalent to 1 kasi mabagal siya dito. Naka 60 beat per minute na. So, huwag natin siya isipin na mabilis kasi di ba yung naisip natin, isipin natin siya na mabagal siya. Okay? Altos and sopranos again, but here I am. 2, 3, after the end. 1, 2, 3, and.
But here I am in this unexpected place, a place I did not ask for, but one that's filled with grace. Here I am in this room I did not
That is 3 count. Plan tayo. In this room I did not plan. So, babagsakan po natin chord item 2. Kailangan po marinig. Sa girls, po ay ganun ano. So, ito nga. But in this room, okay. So, mapapansin natin, in this room, unisan po kayo, anticipate, alto, sa taas na kayo. Tapos sa plan, babalik kayo sa room. And alto 1 will do me. And naka 3. In this room, girls, do, re, and.
in this room I did not
Okay. Sige, okay lang, magsistay tayo. Wala kang isa. Alto 1 tayo. So, pwede lang sumama yung alto. Alto 2 ay alto 1 tayo. But here I am. 2, 3, and.
But here I am in this unexpected place, a place I did
A
not
place I did, a place I did. Okay, a place then.
a place I did not ask for, but one that's filled with grace.
But grace tayo sa alto 1. Okay. Ano tayo? Soprano altos. But one that's, hindi tayo sa that's. Okay? 2, and. But one, hindi lang tayo sa that's. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and.
But one that's
And that's right. Do, do, re. But one that. Okay. Alto 1, 2, and 2, 3. Ay, hindi pala. Natay lang pala. Soprano 2. Sopranos kailangan ito lumakas. Altos, kailangan ito bumaba. Para balik 15 seconds. Okay, but one that's filled with grace, girls lang. Tapos sa grace, doon nakataas ang alto 1. 1. Nilo tayo sa dots. Doon muna. 1, 2, 3, and. 3 tayo. With grace naman tayo dito. Pagpagita lang natin. 2, 3, but one that's filled with grace. 1, 2, 3, and
But one that's filled with
you feel soprano. Alto one, make it lighter. Good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and
But one that's filled with
good. Ulit tayo. Dahil pa rin paano yung alto 1. Okay. Alto 1 ulit tayo in here. 2, and good. And here. One more time. Alto 1, one more time. And one more time. Last one. Dito tayo sa Indian rule. 2, 10. Kayo magiging melody. 2, and. Dito sa Indian rule. 2, and. Tuloy natin. But Jesus, you are. But Alto ay babae tayo, lahat ng babae. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and
But here I am, in this unexpected place, a place
a
I need.
place. Siya a place. A place I need. A place. Again. 2 and sing. A
Place I did not ask for, but
ask
one
for. Ready? Chorus. 1 and.
But here I am, in this unexpected
A place a
place I did not ask for, but one that's filled with grace. And here I am, in this room I did not plan. Lord Jesus, you are near. Jesus, you are grace. Jesus, you are with me.
Mag-melody tayo. Yes. Boys, dito tayo sa mic. A place I did not ask for. Bases first. Bases, huwag natin pagigilan kasi matatao ba natin mga girls? A place will be first note, containers, bases first. Buwan na ba yung tempo na observe? Okay, let's go. Bases, 2, 3, and
A place I did not ask for, but one that's filled with grace. I did not
okay. In this room I did not plan. Listen tayo sa in this room. In this room tayo. From not, hindi kayo matakan ng kalate. Yun ang in this room. In this room. Jesus. Tayo. One more time. But Jesus, 2, 3, and one step. But Jesus, you are here. But Jesus, 2, 3, and God. God. Unison. Hindi. Unison lang tayo. 2, 3, and Vincent from the very beginning, but we have 2, 3, and I am also fan of all girls and basins. So, we first note. 2, 3, and
In this unexpected place, a place I did not ask for, but one has filled with grace. And here I am, in this room I did not plan. But Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are grace. Jesus, you are with me. In this unexpected place.
then Lord, ingat tayo Vincent sa mic, but Jesus, you are here. Tenors! Tenors tayo, tenors. Hanggang grade 5 lang tayo. Okay? Makakarami ito, of course. Tenors! Please, po tayo mag-start.
in this unexpected place.
Lahat po tayo. One, two, three, and
But here I am in this unexpected place, a place I did not ask for, but one that's filled with grace. And here I am in this room I did not plan. But Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are grace. Jesus, you are with me. In this unexpected place.
at the very beginning. And then it moves way in the water. Okay. So, pwede po ba na yung unexpected places, magbigay po ako sa DC ng guide, lalagyan natin siya ng salvation para magpabilis tayo. Okay. So, first part tayo. First note to the girls. One, two, three, and
I know that I have in store you whisper in my ear, words of affirmation, things I need to hear.
For the things you planned for me, I never would have guessed that bringing me right here is what you call your best. But here I am in this unexpected place, a place I did not ask for.
and Lord, let natin. Days. But here I am to tayo. One, two, three, and
But here I am in this unexpected place, a place I did not ask for, but one that's filled with grace. And here I am in this room I did not plan. But Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are grace. Jesus, you are with me.
two, and
In this unexpected place.
So, last one. Yung girls lang po muna. Check lang po natin ha. And then, we'll move on sa way in the water. Doon tayo sa may, pwede po nila tayo magsimula sa may, but here I am. Bye-bye po. But here I am. Dali na bago pumunta. But here I am. Okay, but here I am. Girls, saan po tayo?